Hey guys, finally the Galaxy A15 5G benchmark score are revealed. Yes, we know that the Galaxy A15 5G will have a MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus chipset. The Dimensity 6100 Plus chipset is the same chips as the Helio G99, and the Geekbench score, as you can see, that single core score is 664 and multi-core score is 1717. By the way, Samsung using both smartphone in a same chipset, Galaxy A15 4G and 5G variant, and of course out of the box the phone running Android 14 with One UI 6.0. Seems Samsung will be finally offer an OLED skin on its entry-level Galaxy A1 series smartphone starting next year. A report from South Korea publication, Samsung will be finally replace the LCD panel using on the previous Galaxy A1 series phones like the Galaxy A14. The Galaxy A50 is expected to featuring 6.1-inch Full HD resolution 90Hz refresh rate AMOLED screen, U-shaped notch cut out for its front camera. The Galaxy A15 has a triple camera setup on the rear, maybe 50MP main sensor, 2MP macro and 8MP ultra wide, and the front is come with 13MP selfie camera. It's have a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and face unlock too, and the phone also come with 5000 mAh battery and it could also support 25W fast charging. The Galaxy A15 series is expected to launch in first quarter 2024. So that's all about the Galaxy A15. If you found this video informative, make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.